Almost ready to swap out pipelines with the keyboard. We have added two new shaders, the flat cyan color and the flat lime color. We now have 9 total shaders in our pipeline. We added the shader source vertex 8 and 9 to our cluster of shader source vert here. This is the shader we're looking at right now, shader source 1. It's a cyan color. The next shader is going to be the exact same code, except we're going to have a lime color. That's the only thing that's changed. Also, you're going to notice we have these little sections right here at the top of every single fragment shader. That's just telling us where the source code came from, so that when we have a problem and the source code gets dumped out because it's erroneous, we'll be able to connect the dots and see where it came from. Shader source fragment 8 and 9 is just a cut and paste job of that cyan shader. There's nothing special with these two shaders, just a cut, paste, and rename with the number at the end. In our array of shader source vert and array of shader source frag, we have added the 8 and 9 shader sources to the art girl struct right here. A review. When we press the numbers 0 through 9, we want to load the different shader pipelines. 0 is a special case that will load the default render pipeline. Some tags to help me know what I'm doing, and what we did in this video.